Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Everquote for insurance lead generation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Everquote's website. Once the page loads, look for the register button. Click on the register button to begin the process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter your email address carefully. Create a secure password and re-enter it in the confirmation field. Select your role from the drop-down menu. Provide any additional required information such as your phone number. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open the confirmation email from Everquote. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Everquote website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, complete your profile by filling out any additional details. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Start navigating to the lead generation section within your account. Review the available lead packages and choose one that suits your needs. Add your payment information to purchase leads. Once completed, you'll start receiving insurance leads. Monitor your account regularly to track performance and adjust settings as needed. Congratulations, you are now registered with Everquote for insurance lead generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.